done by ignoring the decimal point and multiply the numbers. Then the number of decimal places in the product is equal to the total number of decimal places in both the given numbers. So let's try solving some examples here. Let's start with multiplying decimals with whole numbers. Multiplying decimals with whole numbers is just similar to the multiplication of whole numbers. The only difference is the placement of the decimal point. So we're given here this example, a decimal which is 3.83 multiplied by a whole number which is 4. So how are we going to multiply this? Right, we can write it in this way. First, we ignore the decimal point and then just simply multiply the two numbers normally. And then after that, after multiplying the two numbers, we just count the number of decimal places in the decimal number. So the decimal number here is 3.83, and it has two decimal places. And of course, the whole number has 0 decimal place. Okay, since we have 2 decimal places for our decimal number and 0 decimal place for our whole number, then we add them up. We have a total of 2 decimal places, and then we can use that after we multiply the numbers. We can use 2 decimal places for our final answer for the product. So let's multiply 3A3 and 4. Alright, we multiply the first digits first. 4 times 3, so that is 12. Carry 1. We put 1 on top of above 8. And then 4 times 8 is 32. And 32 plus 1 is 33. We bring down 3 and then we write 3 above 3. And then 4 times 3 is 12. And 12 plus 3 is 15. Since we have a total of 2 decimal places, and then we count 2 decimal places for our answer or the product. So we place the decimal point here. So our answer is just equal to 15.32. So 3.83 times 4 is just equal to 15.32. So let's try another example.